Hey everybody, I'm going to do a quick review on Rayovac's aluminum sleek body flashlight. Got 60 lumens. Here's a flashlight, here it is right here. The point right here, it takes, I think it takes 3 batteries. Hang on a minute, I'll find out real quick. Nah, I just took it apart and it takes 2 AA batteries is what it takes. Batteries go in there. Alright, hang on a minute, let me screw it back on. Okay, I got it screwed back on. Can't screw it back on with only one hand. Pretty nice little flashlight. I got it at, ordered from Walmart online. But don't worry. Ordering a bunch of stuff online for them and having them ship it to me. I don't have a car, so it's just easier for me to order online and just have whatever I want from Walmart sent to my apartment. And it's a nice little flashlight. Lightweight. It's got real easy to hold it and grip it. Let me turn my light off real quick. Okay. Here's the light. Does a pretty good job lighting everything up in here, my apartment. And the camera doesn't do it justice. Look at the light it puts out. Puts out a lot more light than what it looks like on camera. Hang on a second. It's a pretty nice little flashlight. I think it's been $7, $8 for it when I got it online. And keep it in here, keep it here, just mod to keep here, it doesn't. Also just in case power goes out. We had some storms come through last night. They hadn't caused any real shit with the power. It's always a good idea to have some power lights on in just in case power goes out. This is the Rayovac aluminum sleek body flashlight. It's got 60 lumens with it.